Multifunction smash machine grinder, household electric grain grinder, ultra fine dry food coffee bean grinder, seasonings, spices, mill powder, electric milling machine grinder, coffee spice grinder. Blue material, food grade stainless steel blade, grinding speed is fast and even. It can control the change of coffee beans from coarse to fine in a few seconds. Many Chinese herbal medicines need to avoid iron. Transparent cover. Through the transparent cover, you can observe the grinding process to obtain coarse or fine powder. Smooth and easy to clean. Crushing different drugs will never produce color and odor. Advantages: beautiful appearance, lightweight, free movement. It has the characteristics of simple operation, no vibration, low noise and electrical safety. Easy to use, just press the on-off button to start grinding and release to stop. Due to the driving force of the ultrasonic wave, the grinding speed is fast. The grinding time of the traditional Chinese medicine is not more than 3 minutes, and the grinding time is less than 10 seconds. Multi-purpose, multifunction grinder, suitable for grains, beans, seasonings. Your favorite coffee or other food, the best life assistant. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.